Today we're gonna be creating an eyelash beautiful palette from BH Cosmetics. This is the Nice palette. It has 16 shades. We'll try to link it down below. Hopefully it's still in stock. It does come with a mirror. I'm not gonna show you because literally I broke it. This is the beautiful shades you get. These are the shades. They're very pretty. I definitely want to try to play like with this color. It just looks so nice. So cider, cinnamon, holly, berry, cookie, elf, jolly, bow, sleigh, ginger snap, sprinkles, brandy, snowball, angel, carolers, and winter. So Naughty palette looks much bigger and it's more pricier, so I would have liked to pick that one up too. But before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. So I have no idea right now what I'm gonna create. We're just gonna go with it. Oh my god, what just happened? What just happened? Do you see that? That is exactly the shade I said I was gonna play with. Where did it go? Where did that fall? Because that's gonna be a mess. Hold on. See it anywhere here? Where could it have fallen? Just know wherever it fell is gonna make a huge mess. We're gonna have to keep going with it. Now I'm gonna have to create something completely different. So crazy. I'm gonna start here with the color Bow, okay? This on the crease. Just placing it on the crease and just blending upwards. Now I want to go with the shade Cookie, and I'm using a MAC 224. I'm going to place it on the same area, just building it up. This is just a little bit darker. I love browns in the crease, just to help blend. At the end you may not even see it in the look, but it's just like to help blend. I'm going to have to like rethink the whole look that I had in mind. I'm going to go with this one. Carolers. It performs well. I'm gonna put it in the outer corner. And then just start blending it to the center of the crease. It's just literally on the lid, still using the same brush. I think we should cut the crease. That should look nice. Just gonna use some of the Tarte Shape Tape. Just place a dot because this one's really pigmented. I'm planning to put the color Snowball where we're gonna cut the crease. Just gonna use this flat brush before this dries. Now I'm just gonna take another flat brush, go into Snowball, and just place it where you put that concealer. So I am blending it in with the dark blue, so it's not just like a harsh line. I'm just putting a little bit over, just like blending them together there where they start to meet. I want to take some with my finger and just pack it on. I'm not swiping it, I'm just pressing it in. Now I want to go back into that blue that we used here, Carolers. Blend that just for any color that we lost. Just make sure you clean up any fallout because that's not gonna look cute. There's not a lot of fallout, but I do see some. You blend really well, because that's gonna make your whole look. It's not blended well, it's not gonna look cute. And if you wanna put some shadow shields first, or do this look first and then your foundation, whatever you like, because it can't be messy and these colors are pretty dark. We do wanna highlight the inner corner here. So I wanna try to use this color Cider. And this is a MAC, I believe this is a 228. I've had these brushes forever, so numbers like faded, but it's a really small brush. And I'm just gonna place it in the inner corner there. And you can wet your brush and that would make it more intense, but even like this is showing up so well. I really like this color with the blue. It's a beautiful color. Just imagine this color all over the lid too. Very pretty. And let me just do my wing liner, lashes. For the lips, I'm just gonna use this Buxom gloss. This isn't White Russian, of course, it's my favorite. Oh, I like the look. This is not something that I would wear on a regular basis. It's just, you know, playing with the colors in the palette. I would love to play with more colors like these two here. I don't know if you guys would want another look. It's a limited edition palette. It has mattes and shimmers. Retails for $12. So, I mean, for the price, you're getting 16 shades. You can't complain about that. The packaging is cute. But so let me just do a close-up for you. But I have no complaints about these shades. They really worked well. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!